Hello everyone, this is Informatic Ravi. So my topic is today's topic is to how anybody can appear and anybody can start their career by if anyone wants to enroll in a company, so how anybody can apply a company, and I just go to all the process. What is the process everyone should follow, and they will get a job. So my topic is to start a career. So it's a normal process. Like if anybody wants to start a journey in his career, so first approach is to start like they should have to go through the portals they will go through the portal like naukri.com, or they should go to the other portals. Like in the market there is a uh, maximum portals are available where you can go and try and uh, approach the companies, where you have to upload your resume and start actively see the updates in your resume in your profile. So first step is to go to the portal and start the naukri.com website and other website. You have to make a profile and then upload the resume, and you have to every day you have to check your uh, profile. Every day you have to change your some you have to edit your profiles, and you have to check what's the new update, what's the company you have recommendation, and what are the uh, required conversation you have to do. So this is the first step anybody has to follow to apply in any company. And the second way is you have to go every company portal. Like you have to go through the big companies like TCS, Wipro, and many of the company like which you have nearly nearly you have uh, get the search in the market, like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, and many of this which whatever you have heard the name, which are the big organizations like Capgemini and all that. So you have to go every of this large company and apply in the career page. So in the career page you have to apply there, and you have to upload your resume, so that if any requirement is there in this big company, so they just mail you, just notify you in your mail, and from there you can easily go to the interview and go to the entrance exam and interview process, all that. So this is the second way that you can go and approach the company. So basically these two are the first approach. Like anybody wants to get enroll in the big company and big market, big organization. And when we talk about the third step, so the third step is that in this two basic approach, you have to focus each of your internal profile. If you have to upload your resume, so for you have to clarify your resume, like how uh, how your resume is perfectly for any organization or any website, on any portal, how HR will rectify your profile. So you have to make your resume uh, very interesting, and make your profile from all of the uh, all of the all of the all of the candidates which are applying to the company portal. So you have to be specific in the resume, like you have to be your resume as a specific and uh, organization point of view, so that your profile will be your profile will be go up, and any HR will call you. So firstly you have to work on your resume. Your resume will be very impressive, and it will be suitable for any company. So there is a many of the portals available in the Google. So where you have to go and check your resume is how comfortable your resume means, how actively your resume is working. Like there is a many portal, you if you search in the Google or Google Chrome, there is many portal which evaluate your resume and give you a percentage like 85% or 50% or 60%, how percentage your much percentage your resume will get. The more the percentage your resume will get, the more the chance you have to get a call from a HR and other companies. So you have to work on this part. And fourth part is you have to work on your internal, like in the resume there is some basic thing like you what you have done, what are the like if any person wants to get in you in his company, so he is wants just like what you have done, like basic thing like trainings, certifications, and projects. So the number of projects, training, and certification you have done, the more the chances you have to get actively appears and actively selected in by HR and any